Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Vivek Chauhan from second year BBA, and my roll number is 038. And here I'm going to talk about marketing management, and my subject is Bharat Electronics Limited. Well, this company is a industry, and this industry sector is aerospace and defense, and its headquarters is in Bangalore. Well, this Bharat Electronics Limited firm was founded in 1954. Notes: State-owned electronics. Bharat Electronics Limited is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company with about 9 factories and several regional offices in India. It is owned by the Indian government and primarily manufactures advanced electronic product for the Indian Armed Force. It has its own registered stock also. Well, the present uh, stock price as per the 21st December 2020 was rupees 111.70. Starting with the manufacture of a few communication equipments in 1956, BEL started producing receiving wells in 1961, germanium semiconductor in 1962, and radio transmitter for air in 1964. In 1966, BEL set up a radar manufacturing facility for the army and in-house R&D, research and development. In 1967, BEL began manufacturing transmitting tubes, silicon devices, and integrated circuits. The PCB manufacturing facility was established in 1968. In 1970, BEL started making black and white TV picture tubes, X-ray tubes, and microwave tubes. In 1971, BEL set up facilities for the manufacture of integrated circuits and hybrid micro circuits. Well, in the year 1972, BEL established manufacturing facility for TV transmitters for Doordarshan, and in the year 1973, this company began manufacturing frigate radars for the Navy. Well, so here is the logo of BEL. Uh, Under the government's policy of decentralization and due to strategic reason, sorry, BEL set up new units at different locations across the country. The second unit of BEL was set up at Ghaziabad in the year 1974 to manufacture radars and tropo communication equipment for the Indian Air Force. The third unit was established at Pune in 1979 to manufacture image converter and image intensifier tubes. In 1980, the first overseas office of BEL was set up in New York for the procurement of components and materials. In 1981, a manufacturing facility for magnesium dioxide batteries was set up at Pune. The Space Electronic Division was set up at Bangalore to support the satellite programs in 1982. And that year, BEL achieved a turnover of rupees 1 billion, which means US dollar 21 million. In the year 1983, the Andhra Pacific Company (ASCO) was taken over by BEL, converted it to its fourth manufacturing unit at Machilipatnam. In the year 1985, the fifth unit was set up in Chennai for supply of tank electronics with proximity to heavy vehicles factory Chennai of the Ordnance Factory Board. The sixth unit was set up at the Panchkula the same year to manufacture military communication equipment. So here is the logo of Bharat Electronics Limited. In 1986, BEL set up three units. Its seventh unit was set up at Kotdwara to manufacture switching equipment. The eighth unit to manufacture TV glass cell at Toloja, and the ninth unit at Hyderabad to manufacture electronic warfare equipment. Well, the TV glass cell uh, was been manufactured in Navi Mumbai. In 1987, a separate naval equipment division was set up at Bangalore to give greater focus to naval projects. The first central research laboratory was established at Bangalore in 1988 to focus on futuristic research and development. In 1989, BEL started manufacturing telecom switching and transmission system, and also they set up the mass manufacturing facility in Bangalore and the manufacture of the first batch of 75,000 electronic voting machines. Well, this is the whole data of this company. Its type is public sector undertaking, traded as well the stock market, which was traded as BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, which is the price here it is, and the National Stock Exchange is BEL, its company name, and industry is aerospace and defense, and it was founded in 1958, and now it has been more than 66 years that this company is still working on. The headquarters is situated in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Number of locations are 9 manufacturing units in India. Key people: MV Gautama, which is a chairman and MD of this firm. The product which this company provides is avionics, radars, weapon systems, electronic voting machines, C41 systems. The net revenue of this company is rupees 12,921.11 crore as per the 2020 year. Operating income is rupees 2,479.1117 crore. Net then net income is rupees 1,793.83 crore. Total assets of this firm is rupees 20,463.44 crore. And then total equity of this firm is rupees 9,018.91 crore as per the 2019 data. The owner of this company is Government of India, and the number of employees who works in this company is 9,612 as per the data of March 2019. And this company has also its own specific website. In 2011, the Indian government owned Bharat Electronic Limited showcased its entire range of C4 ISR capabilities, including network-centric warfare technologies developed in house at Aero India 2011. This include command and control system, airspace management, multi-sensor tracking, situation simulator, and tactical algorithm for air defense applications, battlefield management system, and an all-weather 24 into 7 coastal surveillance system. In addition, new product and technologies including software-defined radios, next generation bulk encryptor, and high data tactical radio were also on show. Airborne products display included radar fingerprinting system, data link, digital flight control computer, and identification friend or foe. Also on display was the complete range of optoelectronic equipments, including night vision devices, digital handheld compass, and an advanced land navigation system. BEL is the lead integrator of Akash, the Indian-made guided missile air defense weapon system. Thank you, ma'am, for listening to my presentation.